Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Sakawai pat kemat ke bakakan hon jong ke sarkar MDA kalai keren hakan kesmi. Kedai halor ke jing terwa jong ketnan SAD. Hakabai day bat ke jing tungkam, haki office jong ke chairman bat co-chairman. Ki bahak papo ke kategori A+ bat A. Halor kani ke sarkar kala menjor, bandang ni syakman ki chairman bat co-chairman. Kin tungkam hino dalade, ya kinong tray haka kerdan stenographer, haka jing siyo kaba khat hajar tingkah sibenai. Haka kerdan LDA ni stenographer grade 3, haka jing siyo kaba 10,000 tingkah sibenai. Haka kerdan typist, haka jing siyo kaba hajar tingkah sibenai. Bat haka kerdan grade 4, haka jing siyo kaba 3,000 sanspa tingkah sibenai.
The proposal from SAD is now they propose that the chairman concerned can appoint their own stenographer at the rate of 12,000 rupees per month. They can appoint again LDA or stenographer grade 3 at the rate of rupees 10,000, typist at the rate of 8,000, and grade 4 at the rate of 6,500. Why the department did this and why the cabinet has approved this proposal is to replace the present existing system that is being done. The present existing system is all the staff, regular staff, is being sent or attached with the concerned chairman, co-chairman, who is in the category A and A+. And each chairman, co-chairman, they are entitled to 6 staff, 6 regular staff in their respective offices. But by bringing this proposal, they will be able to entitle only 4. They will be able to entitle only 4 staff, which is to be appointed, proposed by them, and it is also co-terminus. It is not a permanent, it is also co-terminus. Once they are no longer chairman or co-chairman, even the staff is co-terminated. Okay? So that again this proposal has been approved by the cabinet after thorough discussion and with the calculation how to reduce the expenditures.